Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide on how you can increase your sales with Gumroad. Gumroad is an amazing platform that makes it super easy to sell ebooks, online courses, memberships and more. On top of that, they have a great affiliate program. So whether you want to be selling your own info products or promote other people's products as an affiliate, Gumroad is a great option. And for those who are new to Gumroad, it's a platform that allows people to sell digital products such as ebooks or courses and more directly to customers. And the great thing about the platform is that the seller keeps 80% plus of the revenue and Gumroad takes only a small cut. Also, you only pay as you go model, there's no monthly fees, small transaction percentage. So Gumroad handles all the backend stuff like creating product pages, payment collection, delivery of your digital products and more. And all you have to do is create your info product, set up your listing and drive traffic, making it super easy to sell stuff online even with no technical skills. Now let's go over how to set up your account. Getting started with Gumroad is simple and only takes a few minutes. You just have to go to gumroad.com and click sign up to create your free account. You'll be asked to add your email, password and contact details. Make sure to use a professional email and account name. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your Gumroad seller dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your products. And on the left sidebar, you have menu options such as products, analytics, audiences, and payouts. This basically gives you an easy access to all of the core features that you'll need as a seller. And now we're going to go over how to create your first product. The most important thing is creating an amazing digital product to sell. This can be an ebook, online course, membership site, and way more. Once you have your info product ready, go to the products menu and click new product to set up the listing. Give your product a title and description. The description is the sales copy that convinces people to buy from your page. Make sure to include key details, any benefits that you have with your product, and use persuasive language. After that, you can upload your info product file, whether it's a PDF, videos, audio, images, and all of that. You'll also add pricing options that you can have multiple price tiers such as basic access, pro access, and so on. Finally, customize the checkout process with your preferred purchase button text and options like quantity selection. And once your product is ready, click publish and you will get a custom URL to drive traffic to. And now to increase the sales, we must keep some things in mind when creating a profitable Gumroad product. You should aim to solve a specific problem or need for your target audience and focus on topics that you have expertise in. You can always include case studies, examples, and actionable strategies, but make sure it delivers incredible value beyond the price. Something that always works is recording video or audio lessons for better engagement, and if you offer bonuses like discounts on future products. So really take the time to create a premium product. The higher the perceived value, the more you can charge and profit. And now we want to focus on promoting this product. You can drive traffic to your Gumroad products in a variety of ways. The most common one is social media. You can promote it across social media platforms such as updates or stories, posts and ads. Don't forget to include a strong call to action. Email marketing still works very great. Send broadcasts to your subscriber list showcasing your new product and use Gumroad's built-in email features. You can always reach out to relevant influencers and offer a commission for sharing your product. And speaking of paid ads, you can run Facebook, Instagram and YouTube ads driving people to your product page as long as you target interests related to your product topic. So no matter what marketing channels you use, the key is to demonstrate the incredible value, benefits, results, and transformation that people will get from your Gumroad products. Make sure to focus on how it will solve problems and make their lives easier. Use compelling copy, testimonials, before and after examples, and urgency. In addition to selling your own products, you can make money promoting other people's products on Gumroad as an affiliate. Gumroad actually has a great affiliate program that pays you an attractive commission rate on any sales as you refer. You're going to get a custom affiliate link to promote products, receive 25% commission on any new product purchases, and you'll also get 10% commission on any recurring payments. This all will be paid out automatically into your Gumroad account. It's also completely free to join. You just need an active Gumroad account. Then you can search the products to promote in the Gumroad Discover section, or even reach out to sellers directly about becoming an affiliate for their top products. And some effective ways to promote Gumroad affiliate products is that sharing affiliate links on social media. You can send affiliate product recommendations to your email list, promote an affiliate product to your followers. And the great thing about Gumroad affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create any products yourself. You get paid for promoting other people's proven products. And that really sums it up for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's video was helpful or informative to watch. If it was, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.